Maraming salamat sa pagdalo at pagsama sa amin ngayong hapon. Thank you very much, everyone. And I'm truly humbled and I'm truly grateful for all your trust and support. And let me begin by saying that just holding our latest book reminds me how creative, how innovative, and how smart we are. Not because I wrote the book, but because we have a lot of young professionals who work with me to make sure that this book will be printed and available today. And I think it's a reminder as well that as we gather today, there are more than 50 young professionals, young Filipinos who work with us to make sure that the International Tax and Investment Conference will be successful. So, dapat talaga maniwala tayo sa kakayahan natin mga Pilipino. But I guess now that we are preparing for the next election, I cannot help but remember the days na nakatira kami sa squatters in a slum area more than 10 years. And every day I keep promising myself, I will get out my family out of poverty. I will get out of poverty. Aalis ako dito sa squatters. And believe it or not, all my neighbors are still there. Maybe 2 or 3 of us were able to get out of it. One of which is nasa Japan. But the rest stayed in the squatters area. Ano ang punto ko? Every election, we all say na may vote buying and these poor people, they keep electing the stupid people in government. But honestly, for them, it's survival. For some of them, it's the biggest amount of money that they will receive. So, after hearing Yusek Angela earlier, I feel like, yes, we will work with your office. We want to encourage more foreign investors. But also at the same time, I would like to appeal to our government. And this is because we want to continue to work with our government. Maybe that's the Harvard mentality, to work with the policymakers. Not to outsmart them, but even the Office of Senator Gatchalian is represented here. Maraming salamat po. We work with them day and night and we know how hardworking they are, especially the Senator. Sana po, if there is a Create More, Yusek Angela, for our foreign investors, sana magkaroon tayo ng Grow MSMEs to really protect and let the MSMEs grow. Because Jafar was mentioning about the trap for the low middle income earners. You know, there's also a trap, a big black hole for MSMEs. Ilan po ang nagsisimula? Ilan ang nagsasara? And a lot of them because of BIR. At ang ilan ang hindi na lumago ang negosyo. They remain a sari-sari store, a livelihood program. So while we try to bring more foreign investors and give all the incentives, ako po pakiusap to, sana we can work together. Grow the MSMEs. Lahat po ng tindahan sa likod ng North Cemetery, nung kapoy-poy nakatira sa squatters, andun pa rin sila. Pangit at maliit pa rin yung mga tindahan nila. At ang mga nagbinibentahan nila, yung mga construction workers na wala pa rin pambayad, palista lang ng palista. Kaya ang mga Bombay nagkalat. Kasi doon lang sila nakakakuha ng puhunang pambili sa paninda nila sa susunod na linggo. So, my point is, the first of the book series we launched is Reimagining the World Without Corruption. And tax evasion is one of those that we would want the United Nations to consider as one of financial crimes. Not only because we don't pay our taxes, but because the corrupt politicians are also guilty of tax evasions. And it's hard to prosecute them through graft and corruption. But it's easy to prosecute them through tax evasion. Hopefully the UN will work with us on that. We will be relentless. I published several articles on that. I published a book on that in Harvard as well. And people acknowledge it. It's just that we are so afraid of those in power. No, we will work with those in power, but we will remain vigilant. We will remain critical. Because that's who we are as Filipinos. Not just resilient. We are good people. And our roadshow is not just attracting foreign investors, it's reminding the whole world how beautiful our country is and how awesome our people are. So in this second installment of our book, Reimagining the World Without Climate Change, Ang pag-asa, ang amin pong pakiusap, huwag na tayong mag-antay sa awa ng mga developed countries. Magugulo din po sila. Let's try to raise our own funds. Let's try to help those who are really investing on sustainability initiatives. We will be making a proposal. We have already started drafting the carbon tax. We will be working with the IMF on global carbon tax. Maybe that's what we need because I think our apprehension is once we impose carbon tax, they might go to Vietnam and to the rest of our ASEAN neighbors. But if it is a global carbon tax, similar to global minimum tax, then all countries will adopt it. And we will make those polluters pay the right taxes. And we can use that fund to help industries who will need to transition. So, this book is not the last. Next year, we have the last book installment, Reimagining the World Without Poverty. So, as we gather today, please join us in reimagining the world without corruption, for real, without climate change. Might be very difficult, but we can start already. And without poverty. Mahirap pong maging mahirap at ang makakaunawa lang doon, yung pinagdaanan talaga, yung gutom. I remember yung 5 pisong champurado. Sorry to share this, pero ang mahal pa naman ng barong ko. 5 pisong champurado. Yung barkada ko, mag-uunahan pa kami kung left or right na butas. Tapos pipigain namin kasi kung sino yung malaking napiga, siya yung mas maraming makakain champurado. 5 piso po. Tapos pag humingi ka ng dagdag na gatas, yung powdered milk, may bayad na piso. That's how difficult life was for 10 years. And I never blame my parents for that poverty. Kaya sana po, tulungan na, hindi lahat ng mahihirap tamad eh. Hindi rin lahat ng mahihirap malas lang. Pero lahat ng mahihirap kailangan ng tulong. Maaaring yung iba, feeling natin hindi nila deserve kasi sugarol sila, mabisyo sila, pero minsan yun na lang yung paraan nilang takasan yung realidad nila. It's very difficult to be poor. And that is our last installment of Reimagining the World Without Poverty. So we are grateful as well to our supporters